Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video it's gonna be a video about WhatsApp tutorial, and I would like to show to you the way how to turn off the save or auto save into camera rolls tools on WhatsApp. So the thing that you have to do now is just go open your WhatsApp applications right here, and after that there will be like several sections down here to do or to turn off those tools. Go into the settings part. Since we want to like turn off the auto save into the camera roll, go into the chat sections right here, and you can see that right after the chat wallpaper there is a save to camera roll, so you just need to turn it off. So whenever this tool is on, whenever you received any videos or photos and then you open it, those media will be automatically saved into your photo library, so that it will be disrupting you and consume a lot of storage on your phone. So let's turn it off by click this part. So that's the way how to turn off the save to camera rolls button on WhatsApp. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.